Once you had to bake.
Yeah.
Friday. Turk Day.
I'm gonna tell you what, now if I hadn't started this new eating habit, I'd have bought that whole box right there because
Look what my girl crush brought me. Look, she brought me coleslaw, french fries, hush puppies,
do what with them?
and shrimp.
56. Yeah.
My girl crush. And I'm just trying up okra and cucumbers and tomatoes and squash and lemons and green beans. It's Friday. There's my girls over there.
Yeah.
There's
They might though.
That's the beautiful Denise right there, and that's the beautiful Libby over there. Those are the hot chicks. They're not turning around. All right, y'all. Bye-bye. It's a beautiful day here, y'all. I'm wrapping some cucumbers up. Denise went home. Eric went home. Jojo went home. Everybody said bye and stuff before they left. And now I think Big G's getting ready to go home too. So just me and Gerald now, so I'm making us some coffee. So the other day, Gerald was making coffee for us, and he told me he was making all the time that I've been drinking coffee. He's been making it with decaf. He tricked me.
You ever do it that running back the eggs up, man?
I had no clue. He's been making decaf coffee, and I've had an alarm set at 5 o'clock to stop drinking coffee so that I won't stay up all night. Yeah, so that's it. I got finished wrapping these cucumbers, and then I got broccoli, green beans, plums, and corn. All that noise back there is Sugar Bear. And Gerald brought me an ice cream sandwich.
James here, guys.
I'll let you see them. Sugar Bear, how old are you?
67.
67.
Oh, okay.
You famous now. You,
All right.
you famous, Sugar Bear. He's amazing. He's been doing this for years. He had lots of other businesses too. He's a famous screen print artist. All right, I gotta go. Bye. I don't know how bad it looks out here. What you looking for, sweetie? You sure can, baby. You get as many as you want. You can have one if you want.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure.
No problem. It's not too bad. I've been in the back wrapping stuff up. But anyway, so like earlier I told you that Eric and JoJo and Denise all left at one time. And they were so sweet. Everybody was, you know, saying, well, I'm leaving. All right, I'll see you soon. I'll see you tomorrow. And I told JoJo, I said, okay, goodbye, girl. I'll see you later. And she's like, never say goodbye. only say see you later. She's you can't say goodbye. You can only say see you later. Guess she's one of those superstitious people. I thought that was really sweet. Anyways, I'm getting ready to put some plums out here and some grapes and some lemons. Look at these little teeny plums. They're hard as rocks. I don't know if they're ever going to get ripe. And I'll talk to you. It's Friday. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.